Alright, so most people do have issues on how to make perfect shots, and this video is here to solve that hurdle for you. So if this sounds like what you want to learn, kindly stay tuned to the end of the video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a first time viewer, you are highly welcome. If you are an old time viewer, you are still welcome. So here you must make sure you mark out your baselines. Now this illustration came from questions I got on some videos I made some time ago on how to draft a male trouser. Someone asked for a short. So here I will make do with the measurement of the fabric I have, and then we'll go ahead in the drafting stage. So here you have to mark 2 inches for your customer hem of the short, right? 2 inches of at the hem or at the base, and then you mark the line as shown. And after this, you're going to mark the short length. So whichever short length you have, you mark like so. So the short length I have here is 19. So you mark 19 as so, and then connect the line all along this way. It goes all through this way. Now this method is applicable both on kids, children, on female and male adults, right? So you can use it either way. So here, the only thing you need to do here is to expand your hip measurement. Don't use the measurement of your normal trouser to drop your short. So here, I am going to, my hip measurement I have is 48. That's, I will use 48 for the normal hip, for the crotch, right? I will get 12, or just like this. And then, but in the hip application, I will increase it to like 50 to make it, to give you that freeness or ease that you might wish to have on your shorts. So here you have your crotch line, and then you go ahead and apply 50, which is 12.5. So you mark just like this, and then mark extra what? 2 inches in this form. And then the waist measurement I have is a waistline of at 39. So divide by 4, you have 9¾ Then you mark in this form and add extra 1 inch to that. It comes out in this way. And here, you come at the base, go in by 1.5 inch inside, and then the knee circumference I have is 22. So you mark 22 just like this. Here, you connect the 1 inch on your waistline to your hip line. It goes in this form, and after which, you now use your hip pattern master or your hip curve. Connect the 1.5 inch you went in from here, it goes all through in this form, and then you come out rightly in this very form as well. Then connect this as well, it goes all through this way, and then you also make sure you mark it in this form as well. So this is the basic panel of how to draft a male short. It can also work for female, right? So now here you come up by 2 inches in this form, and then use the pattern master, place it this way, and mark out just like this. And the next thing you will do is to slope the waistline by 1/2 inch. That's 0.5. Here you mark 0.5 down in this form, and then you connect out in this form as well. So once you have marked out in this form, the last thing to do here is to put the pocket, which is 7.5 inches or 8 inches for short, and then 2.5 inches in this form as well. So here you have it coming out all along this way, and you are done with your short drafting. And then I will cut it out and show you guys how to draft the back as well. So now when the front panel has been drafted, and the next thing I want to show you guys now is how to draft the back. Now on the back drafting, we don't have a lot to do. It's just to extend the measurements appropriately, which you will see right here. So here, you extend this line, come out all through in this form, and then you mark here 2 inches or 2.5, depending on how you want it to be. So here at the back as well, you mark here 2 inches in this form, mark here as well 2 inches in this form, and mark 2 inches all through at the inner leg. Go all through this way. So once you have achieved this, then you connect the line just like this, and then connect the crotch area as well from here. Go all through this way, and then with your pattern master as well, you make a perfect curve from here to this very point. So you see the essence of pattern master, and at the back panel, you will raise here by 2 inches all through this way. So mark here 2 inches just like this, and then you connect from here to this very point. So when you are able to do all of this by yourself, this will serve you as a foundation to anything drafting on male clothing. It looks simple, like I said, but it's still very much attention is needed. So we cut all of this, cut this just like this, cut here all through as well, just like this. You also cut here as well, just through all through this way. You also cut the back waistline in this form, and then you cut the sideline as well. So once you are cutting this, you make sure you cut out just as I have explained. So this extension on the pocket area is optional, but if completing this, there is still no problem. And here you mark front and back to differentiate the fabric front and back. So once you have marked this, now the next you do here is to cut your band. Now, in the case of the band cutting, the band measurement is just 4 inches width by the length of your waist circumference plus extra 5 to 7 inches, right? So you make sure you hold your fabric in this form. You can cut the band to be a one-line band, or you can cut the band to be a jointed band. So whichever one you want to cut, there's still no problem. So you bring the bottom master and then mark your baseline all through this way. Mark your baseline all through this way. And then you measure 4.5 inches like this. 4.5 inches like this. 4.5 inches as well in this form. 4.5 inches as well in this form. And then you connect the line from here straight down. Connect the line from here straight down. And then you can now cut out your band. And now cut out your band. And the next you also cut will be your pocket facings, your zip fly, and your patch pockets if you are making a patch pocket. You can also do a compact pocket if you want to put a compact pocket on this particular shot. So here we are done with this. So now let us cut the belt loop as well. So the belt loop measurement is 1.5 inches width, 1.5 inches width, 1.5 inches width. You go ahead and connect 1.5. The length of the loop is always 24. There are 6 loops on the trouser, so 6 times 4 is 24. But mostly I cut the loop to be way longer than 24. So now I am trying to get the zip flag. So let me cut the fresh zip flag. Because of the fabric placement or fabric illustration I was placing, not enough. So let's cut the pocket facing first. So pocket facing here will be a total width of 4 inches width by the length of 10 to 11 inches. So this is for your pocket facing. The width here we have is 4 inches width, but the length of 10 to 11. Now the next we are going to cut here will be for the zip fly. So let me cut it at once so you see it immediately. So here I will take the zip line from this angle. So from here I will cut out from here, cut through, cut from here as well, and make sure that we have zip fly that comes out in this form. So here, you cut from here and go on through these very points. So you have your zip line properly cut out, right? So these are the components we have got. And if you want to do patch pockets, cover pockets, you can go ahead and cut them and fix as well. But then we're not going to put cover pocket for now. Even though we're going to put it will be on the sewing stages. So the next video you will see now will be on how to gun this band, the whole component of the shot, and also the sewing process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.